Hi guys, welcome back to Tactic Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to make money with Leonardo AI. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, I will be showing you a method for you to be able to earn money using Leonardo AI and its different output. And this process or this method that I'm talking about is by using Printify or drop shipping. Now, the idea is you will be creating designs or t-shirt designs with Leonardo by taking advantage of its artistic ability and the ability to basically generate any type of output. No matter how artistic or how simple it is, it will be able to produce an amazing output. And you could put that to use and use the output generated by Leonardo to create a t-shirt design that you could start selling in Printify or even other e-commerce platform, because in Printify you will be able to actually connect it to different types of e-commerce platform and you could start selling them online, allowing you to start making money by using Leonardo AI. So let's show you the process of this idea. Now the process starts with Leonardo, of course, where you will be creating an image. So simply open your image generation. Now the first part is generating your images that you would like to put on a t-shirt or a product. And that depends on you on what your topic is, of course. But for us, let's see, the thing that I like to do the most in Leonardo is by looking through this parts over here, this community feed or the community showcase, where you will be able to see all the different outputs generated by people. And what I like to do is I would select an output that I like, for example, this one, and I would copy the prompt. For example, this one, I'll copy the prompt, go over here and paste it. I would also look through the different details such as Dream Shaper, as you can see. So after copying the design, or rather the prompts and the settings, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the information. So for example, instead of skull, I could change it to, let's say, a different object. So let's say an apple. There we go. Then you could utilize the different settings in Leonardo, of course, play around with the different things. And for example, I could click on add elements. And let's skip this part over here. Then you could take advantage of this. For example, let's look for an element that we like. For example, ebony and gold. Click on confirm and then simply click on generate. Now we will be able to generate by following the prompt that we saw over here. So hopefully the output that we will be able to get is similar to this one, because that is the idea that I like. Now you don't need to follow the process that I'm going with, wherein I'm going to be using other people's design. You're free to create and build your own design. But after you create your output, for example, this one, we have a very simple one. I don't think I like the output, so let's change it a color or a golden apple. Something like that. I click on generate again. Now, something you have to keep in mind when generating images is that you will never get the output that you want in the first try. So make sure to give some time or be patient with your image generator so that it will be able to produce the output that you like. So we have this one. I guess we could settle with this one. So assuming you are able to get the image that you want, so simply download it just like this. Go to Canva or another platform that would allow you to remove the background of an image. But for me, I'm going to be utilizing Canva. You're free to use other platforms. There's a lot of free platforms out there that would offer or that could allow you to remove the background of an image. But over here, as you can see, we have our design. Simply click on edit photo after it uploads. So give it a few seconds. There we go. Then simply click on background remover, which will allow us to remove the background of our image. And there we go. Now after this, simply click on share once again. Click on download and download it with a transparent background. And download it again. There we go. Now over here in Printify, simply click on the catalog and you will be able to see all the different products that you will be able to create a design on. Now, I mentioned earlier t-shirts, so that's what we're going to do. So simply select the t-shirt options and you will be able to see all the different types of t-shirt over here. Each one of them are very unique, so be careful with what you will be choosing. For me, let's go with the bestseller. The bestseller is basically the item that users of Creatify are buying the most. As you can see, when you select a specific product, you will be able to see the description, of course, so that you know as much as possible or as much information about a specific product that you're going to be using. So we have this one. So simply click on Start Designing over here, and you will be able to proceed to this page over here. So this is basically the editing page where we could put in the design that we create. For example, this one, simply drag it into your t-shirt over here and you will be able to see the design in this part. So simply wait for it to upload, and there you go. Now it's a bit low quality image. That's because our size for the Canva is small. The size of the template is small, so you could simply click on create a design and have a bigger size if you want by clicking on custom size so that it doesn't look as pixelated. But there we go, you have this. And then you could even add designs on the back part if you want, but you could even add colors over here if you would like to sell it on. The colors, there we go. Simply select the colors that you want. For example, we could have that. Then you could even click on preview, which will show you some mock-ups of your design so that you could see what it would look like on a real person. Now, I agree that my design isn't the best design, so I will try to generate one more image later on after we demonstrate the process in Creatify so that we could at least have an image that we are satisfied with and we would like to use for a t-shirt design. So let's go back here, and there we go. You can see the preview of the design. So you get the idea. You are seeing or you are able to visualize the process of how it would work. Be able to generate absolutely for free in Leonardo would allow you to take advantage and even use the amazing output being produced for you to be able to create products for you to sell on different types of platforms. But moving on, as you can see, on the next part, you will now be able to put in the title, the description, the variants, and the publishing details over here. Simply click on Connect a Store, click on Add New Store, and these are the different platforms that you will be able to sell the product on. You have Etsy, Shopify, TikTok, Walmart, Printify, Pop-Up, eBay, Squarespace, Wix, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, PrestaShop, and even API. And the process is very simple, like I said. So let's now try to generate one more output that we could see and try if we will be able to produce a good design. Let's go check out the top designs right now, the top and the best designs. And for example, we have this one over here. Let's try having that one. So copy the prop, go back here, paste the prop over here. Let's enable our negative prop, copy the negative prop. Just like this, and paste it over here. Then let's go check out the type of model. We have Deliberate 1.1, but I think I'm going to stick with Dream Shaper 1.1. I'm going to generate 4 images, and then we could add some, bonus elements to maybe spice up the design. So I think wasn't much that I like here. Let's not add one for now, I guess. Let's disable this or turn it off. There we go. Let's simply click on Generate. Now, I forgot to change the topics. This one is a bunny, so let's change it to a topic that we want. For example, we could have a cat instead of a bunny. So click on Generate. So now we have 2 sets over here. Let's see if we will be able to replicate the design that I'm trying to replicate, which is this one. And the first part, which is the bunny, there we go. It's finished this time. It's a bit like an anime style. This one is bunny style, but there's like anime style face to it. This one failed. And you have the cat one over here. The cat one is really great. It was able to produce amazing results. So if you enjoy or you like one image, simply download it, go to Printify, upload your design, choose the product that you would like to print it on. There's a lot of different products aside from t-shirts. There's also some accessories, all of those stuff. And you can easily just upload the design and start selling online absolutely for free. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.